How to solve Facebook profile picture guard not showing and not available. So if the profile picture guard feature is not showing or not available on your Facebook account, here are some potential reasons and solution. So first of all, launch your Facebook app. Launch your Facebook app. Once you are on your Facebook, you have to tap on your profile icon and go for the three dot and look for the option of lock profile or profile picture guard. So here you can see only lock profile, not a profile picture guard. So this may be the profile picture guard may not be available in all countries or region due to the region restriction. Also, the certain feature may vary based on whether you have personal account or a business account. So the Facebook frequently updates its feature and not all users receive new feature at the same time. So for that, you have to check for the update. Ensure you have the latest version of your Facebook app installed on your device. For that, you have to go to your Play Store or Apple Store and search for the Facebook. Once you have searched for the Facebook, here you can see the update available. Then you have to update up your Facebook. Also, you can check the feature on the both mobile and desktop to see if it appears differently. Also, you can go to your profile and tap on your profile picture to see the option of the profile picture guard appear. So, if none of this step work, if you believe you should have access to this feature, consider reaching out to the Facebook support for assisting. This is the step or reason behind why your Facebook profile picture guard is not showing up. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you on the next one. Thank you.